Looking for the best tonneau cover for your Chevy Silverado 1500? Whether you want better protection from the weather, improved security, or a sleek upgrade for your truck bed, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll break down the top tonneau covers for the Silverado 1500, comparing durability, ease of use, and overall value. Stick around to find the perfect fit for your truck. Check the description for direct links to each product. Let's dive in. Starting at number 5, this hard trifold cover promises serious protection with its FRP and PP honeycomb construction. It's designed specifically for 2019-2025 Silverado 1500 models with the 6.6-foot bed, and the manufacturer claims it can handle up to 500 pounds of impact. Here's what actually works well about this cover. The trifold design gives you flexibility when loading larger items like ladders or lumber. You can fold it completely out of the way when needed, which is something you can't do with roll-up covers. The installation process is genuinely straightforward, no drilling required, and you can have it mounted in about 15 minutes. The scratch-resistant coating does hold up reasonably well, and the UV protection keeps it from fading quickly under harsh sun. Actually, the security aspect is decent since it's a hard cover that can't be easily cut through like soft vinyl options. But here's where it gets tricky. The clamping system, while marketed as quick release, can be finicky and sometimes requires more force than you'd expect. You know what's frustrating? It doesn't work with factory-side storage boxes, which limits your options if you've already invested in Chevy's storage solutions. If you have a Carbon Pro bed or factory utility track system, you're out of luck entirely. Things to consider. The price point sits higher than soft covers, and some users report the hinges can develop play over time, affecting the tight seal you need for weather protection. Moving on to number 4, this retractable soft cover from MotorBox targets 2007-2018 Silverado models with 5.8-foot beds. The gray stripe design gives it a distinctive look that sets it apart from basic black covers. The waterproof construction actually delivers on keeping your cargo dry during normal rain conditions. And the retractable design means you can partially open it to access items without fully exposing your entire bed. The installation process is relatively painless, no drilling required, and most people can get it mounted without professional help. What customers consistently praise is the fit and finish. It does look sharp on the truck, and the build quality feels solid for the price range. The latching mechanism works better than some competitors, providing decent security for your belongings. However, there are some real drawbacks you should know about. Because it's a soft cover, it won't protect against someone with a knife who really wants to get into your truck bed. The retractable mechanism, while convenient, has more moving parts that can potentially fail over time. Actually, some users report the cover can be noisy at highway speeds, especially if it's not perfectly tensioned. If you're looking at older Silverado models, your options become more limited, and this cover fills that gap reasonably well. But keep in mind that soft covers generally don't last as long as hard alternatives, especially in extreme weather conditions. At number 3, Amazon's entry into the tonneau cover market targets 2014-2019 Silverado and Sierra models with 5.8-foot beds. The price point immediately catches your attention. It's significantly cheaper than most alternatives. This roll-up design gives you complete bed access when you need it, and the aluminum frame construction provides better support than purely soft covers. The installation is genuinely simple enough for one person to handle, and Amazon provides step-by-step video guidance. You know what's nice? It works with or without bed liners, giving you flexibility in your truck setup. The water resistance performs reasonably well in normal conditions. The OE-grade rubber seals do their job of keeping light rain and road spray out of your bed. For basic protection needs, it hits the mark without breaking the bank. But here's where things get problematic. The latching mechanism is this cover's biggest weakness. Multiple users report it constantly pops open while driving, which defeats the entire purpose of having a tonneau cover. You don't want to worry about your cover flying open on the highway. That's both dangerous and embarrassing. The build quality is inconsistent. While some users report it lasting well, others experience failures within hours of installation. If you get a good one, it works fine. But the quality control seems hit or miss. which is frustrating when you're trying to protect expensive cargo. Coming in at number 2, the Tyger Auto T3 brings some serious engineering to the softcover game. This one fits 2019-2025 Silverado 1500 models with 5.10-inch beds, and it comes with a lifetime warranty for US customers. The construction quality genuinely impresses. The 24-ounce marine-grade vinyl feels substantial, and the aircraft-grade aluminum frames provide excellent support. The dual coating process helps it resist fading and cracking better than cheaper vinyl covers. Actually, the pre-assembled crossbars make installation smoother since everything stays aligned properly. What sets this apart is the attention to detail. The stainless steel clamps distribute pressure evenly, reducing stress points that typically cause failures. The tri-fold design gives you flexibility. You can open one section for small items or fold it completely for larger cargo. And the water resistance is genuinely effective for normal weather conditions. The 5-minute installation claim is realistic if you've done this before, though first-timers might need 15 to 20 minutes. Keep in mind that if you have an over-the-rail bedliner, you'll need to cut small holes for proper installation. Not a deal breaker, but something to consider. However, it's still a soft cover, which means security limitations. Someone determined to get into your truck bed won't be stopped by vinyl, no matter how thick. The lifetime warranty sounds great, but you'll need to deal with warranty claims if issues arise. Here's our number 1 pick. And this is where we find the best tonneau cover for Chevy Silverado 1500 that actually delivers on its promises. The Extang Solid Fold ALX is engineered specifically for 2019-2025 models with 8.2-inch beds, and it's made in the USA with global materials. What makes this the top choice? The automotive-grade polymer panels provide genuine security while remaining lightweight enough for easy operation. The UV resistance is exceptional. This cover won't fade or crack like cheaper alternatives. And the load-bearing capacity means you can actually use your truck bed for heavy-duty work without worrying about damaging the cover. The installation process is where this really shines. It comes fully assembled, which eliminates the frustration of trying to align multiple components. The over-engineered latch system provides both security and convenience. It opens quickly when you need access, but stays firmly closed while driving. Because it's a hard cover, it provides real theft protection. You can't cut through polymer panels with a pocket knife, giving you genuine peace of mind when leaving valuable tools or equipment in your truck bed. But let's be honest about the drawbacks. The price is significantly higher than soft alternatives, and it doesn't work with factory-side storage boxes. If you need maximum bed access, the folding design doesn't give you the same opening as a roll-up cover. That's your complete breakdown of the top 5 tonneau covers for Silverado 1500 trucks. If this helped you make a decision, hit that like button and subscribe for more truck accessory reviews.